Today I'm reviewing Staedtler's Oil Pastels and there will be swatches. Hi, I'm Syndia. If you like oil pastels, subscribe, hit the bell because there will be more. This is a 24-piece set. I paid $7 for it and it's a student grade quality oil pastel. As you can see, pigment wise, they're pretty good. They're overall very opaque. There's a few exceptions like the pink and the gray is a little bit patchy. That's the case in many student grade quality sets across all brands. So I'm not very concerned with that. But overall, it's pretty good pigment. What struck me the most when using the Staedtler Oil Pastel set is that they are so similar to the Pentel Arts set. I reviewed the 50-piece set from Pentel and I'll put a card up here if you want to watch it after this. Only $6 for 50 sticks. So these are very similar to Pentel. There's the same skinny sticks compared to other brands which are like a bit chunkier. So the smaller stick, the same kind of texture. When it comes to blending, the Staedtler blends a little bit better when using the blending stump. It's a little bit less patchy and gummy than the Pentel Arts set with the blending stump. But when it comes to layering different colors on top of each other and kind of blending them together, pastel on pastel, that's where Pentel is a little bit better than Staedtler. Staedtler tends to kind of peel off a little bit more and get things a little bit more patchy. I'm saying all this, but keep in mind that the differences are very slight because I found that both sets, the Pentel and the Staedtler, were very similar overall. If you want to see the Staedtler set in action, I made a small painting using this set. I'll put up a card up here as soon as it's up and you'll be able to see it for yourself. Should you buy it? The bottom line is that the Staedtler set has good pigmentation. Overall, they work very well, but the Pentel set is a lot cheaper and works just as well. So basically, it comes down to price and availability in your area. But if you want to know what my very favorite oil pastel set is, watch this one next.